Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this file, but he's not happy because it doesn't, every one of them aren't the same. These lines are the same, but the line that he moved it over. And if we look, the space between the rectangle there versus the space that makes the rectangle there is wider. So I made it equal with his same measurements, but I get these squares. That is pretty cool within itself. But to do it the other way, I'm going to make a rectangle, and I've got my ratio unlocked. I'm going to make it 2 inches by 4 inches. And then I'm going to hit P. I'm going to Control D and rotate it 90 degrees. Now the top one we want to take, and we're going to use the chamfered corners and just do 1 inch that makes it equal. Now this one I'm going to do rounded corners, 1 inch. And we get that shape. Now if we weld this thing is 4 by 4. So let's set our nudge factor on 4 inches. And let's Control D, Control D, Control D. And then set our nudge factor on 2. I'm going to group that together, Control G, Control D. Go right arrow once and up arrow once. So it's nudging at half. Now that we already have it, we could set it back to 4 inches. And we could go Control D and look at that. Then you could make it whatever, you can still make it whatever line thickness you want. Let's make it like 8 points and you get that. Now to do it the other way, start with a 5 inch by 2 and hit P, put it in the center of the page, Control D, rotate it 90 degrees. Take the top one, it's already set on chamfered, and chamfer it 1 inch. This one, move it to round, 1 inch. And my ratio there is locked, so it's doing all the corners. And then weld that. And now we got 5 inches by 5 inches. Let's change our nudge factor to 5. And we'll hit the plus key or Control D, Control D. Now let's set our nudge factor on 2.5. I'm going to go ahead and group that together. Let me move it off the page. Okay, Control D, move it over and down. See, we get those square. Then you can change your nudge factor back to 5 inches. The 2.5 just made it go down equally. And look at that. Now this is totally different. But it's still kind of cool. And then if you made it like that 8 points, let's make it 10 and see what happens. Whoop, I missed one of them. Let's make it 12 and see what happens. That's pretty cool. I like them both, but see, they're equal now. This distance between here to here is the same distance from there to there. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.